azinikele ukuthi aye kuNkulunkulu. People of God, esigabeni sempilo.
Yes.
Kwelinye ilanga you must preach to yourself.
Yes.
Kwelinye ilanga you must have one-on-one to yourself.
Amen.
Impilo iyadinga ukuthi wena ube ne-one-on-one noNkulunkulu.
Amen.
Ubuze uNkulunkulu ukuthi kambe uNkulunkulu yini engimele ngiyenze ngempilo yami? Yini okumele ngiyenze ngemarriage yami? Yini okumele ngiyenze ngecharacter yami? You need one-on-one with God.
Amen.
People of God, there are so many things that can deceive you.
Yes.
There are so many things that can confuse you.
Amen.
But God will never make you confused. uNkulunkulu ngeke kwenze ube confused.
Amen.
If ungaba ne-one-on-one naye.
Yes.
Umtshela umakhelwane. Uthi makhelwane.
Makhelwane.
You need the one-on-one with God.
Udinga i-one-on-one noNkulunkulu.
Injalo futhi indaba kaSamson. Ethembile uDelila ethembile uyaze mkhulula emenza imizwa yakhe igijime kahle kumenza acabange kahle uDelila embuza imibuzo ayengamelanga ayiphendule wayiphendula kuthe kufika kwesinye isikhathi wadiscover ukuthi ekucineni kwempilo yakhe udinga uNkulunkulu. uSamson waba no-one-on-one with God. Uthi nxa esephakathi kwamaphila amabili.
Yes, sir.
Ukhuluma noNkulunkulu wakhe.
Yes.
Uthi akube kanye. Ukuthi wena wazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu empilweni yami. Akube kanye. Ngifuna ukukhuluma nomuntu le-situation.
Yes.
Yebo uhambile amabandla.
Amen.
Yebo uhambile izindawo.
Yes.
May you have one-on-one with God.
One-on-one.
This is 2026 uNkulunkulu.
Yes.
Akube kanye phakathi kwayo. Akube kanye sibonakala. Phakathi kwabantwabami. Phakathi komthando wami. Phakathi kwabandla lami. Akube kanye, Lord, revive us. Revive us once.
Amen.
Because there are people abathembile.
Yes.
Ukuthi laba ngihamba labo.
Amen.
But ngesikhathi sobunzima.
Amen.
Uzabathola sebengasekho. The same people are the same people planning to stone you down.
Amen.
The same people okuhambe nabo empini.
Yes.
Abanamavili avela. Okwenzakala empini.
Amen.
Are the same people abafika sebekuphendukela.
Amen.
Are the same people
Yes.
abaplana your downfall.
Amen.
Oxoxa labo.
Yes.
Odla labo.
Yes.
Ohleka labo.
Yes.
Okhuluma labo.
Yes.
Are the same people who plan ukuthi sifuna ukuthi siyasibone ukuthi nxa sokunje umjovo usukhwelile uzoyingena kanjani ithawuni nokuyibhizinisi kwakhe le. People of God, kungabi nendaba ukuthi what is happening in your life.
Yes.
What is happening in this economy. But there is God